I'm Cindy Dolphin. I'm the CEO and founder of KILI Medical Drain Carrier. It's a device that's used after surgery when a patient has to wear medical drains for a period of time, usually 3 weeks, sometimes as long as 6 months. So these drains are installed during the last part of the surgery, and it's a drain line that's put into the surgical area to siphon away fluids that could accumulate and cause infection. So at the end of that drain line is a bulb about the size of a large lemon, and it's based on a suction principle, and it's airtight. So once it's placed in the patient, it sucks away those fluids, and it's important that it's kept airtight during the whole time the patient wears them. So I have had, I'm a survivor of 4 cancers. I've had 9 surgeries where I've had to wear these drains. And the last time I had the drains, I brought a canvas apron to manage those drains, because typically the protocol is to provide a safety pin for each drain, and that drain is pinned to the gown. And it's very awkward, it's uncomfortable, and it's not really safe. So I brought a canvas apron to put the drains in during my stay in the hospital. And the nurses really appreciated it. It made their life much easier, because when they went to change the gown, rather than unpinning each drain, changing the gown, repinning the drains, it was already in the apron. They didn't have to unpin or anything. It was a time saver and a lot safer for me and for the nurses. That's when I get emails from actual patients who have used it and told me that it made a difference in their recovery. So having been through so many cancers and so many surgeries, I know how vulnerable you feel during that period of time. And to have people come back and tell me that it just gave them that much more mobility and more confidence and more willingness to get up and get going, that's when I feel best about it. So there have been a number of those occasions where I've gotten emails from people who say, "Thank you, it made a difference in my life." Currently used in a number of wards at UC Davis Medical Center, as well as University of Chicago Medical Center, Sutter Hospitals, Dignity Health Hospitals. So it's getting wider acceptance all the time. Really proud that there is something that is developed by a patient that responds to a need that they have that can really make a difference in their life. And I think there are many other products out there that could be innovated by patients that will help the medical industry understand that they don't know unless they've been in the shoes of a patient. That's when I decided I'm going to become an entrepreneur. I'm going to decide to build a small business around something that's essential and helpful and will touch lives. It may not make $1 million, but I know it's going to make the world a little bit better.